doing?
Seriously, guy. Oi, you're being a real ass. Cheers, buddy. Oh, he's going to feet wrap because he can't walk far, see? For those of you who saw that he has his two front feet tied together, it's not some cruel thing. It's just so that they can't walk far. So they're herdsmen, or what do you call it?
Shepherd?
Shepherd, thank you. The shepherd will be somewhere, I think, because there's some cows down there. Move your lad. Move it, move it. Do you see any lions?
No, I don't see any lions.
Then get out.
Snakes and stuff.
You wouldn't say you went on a 3-month trip through Africa.
Hey, I'm a city girl now.
Good stretch?
Yeah.
Let's have lunch. Let's have lunch! Good song. Yeah, see, this is lion poop, yeah. See that white? That's lion poop.
Is it really?
Yeah, that is lion poop.
Then why are we here?
And you can see this is where they lay because the grass is flat here, and then they walk through here most likely. As you see, there's a little pathway here. But you don't know, like a lion could just be like literally there in that bush and you would not be able to see it.
Hope not, because we'll be there lunch.
Yo, look at that fat guy. Holy
Pregnant.
dolly. No, he's a bull, man.
Oh,
Can't
he's
be
a
pregnant. Alright, we are en route. We're past Kgalagadi. We still don't know where we're going to camp, but we're going to just find something, I think. So, yeah. Let's see how that goes. The sun is going down. It's 4 o'clock and it is 34 degrees. And it's going to stay that hot for a while. So we're going to find a spot in a bit. Here's my tea bag.
Didn't you already put your water in?
Yeah. Oh yes. We decided to stop for a spot of tea. Lovely afternoon tea.
Gone mental.
I haven't gone mental.
Driving has gotten to you. Because tea's what you need when it's 34 degrees outside.
Yeah, but spot of tea, mate. So we're going to make it to the park gate now, luckily. The reason why I'm a silhouette and that's all illuminated is because that is much prettier than this. I figured you guys much rather see the sunset than look at my mug that you've seen all day. We're going to make it to the park in about 10 minutes or so. We're just going to camp outside the gate. I think there's a camping spot there. It's been a long day's driving since this morning. So we've done a few very long days driving, but luckily now it's over. We've got 4 days of basically just relaxing, looking for lions and leopards and just chilling. I'm sorry, but I had to stop to look at the sunset. And also Nick needed to pee. Best pee?
Best Buy.
Don't growl, share the water. Hey. Shit, look at this one. He's a little turd. Don't growl, there's enough water. Yeah, it's rude. You're being rude. Hey, buddy. I shall dub you Kingston. Say top of the morning to the people.
Top of the morning. I'm not Irish, can't do Irish.
Top of the morning to you folks. We're saying good morning from a very hot 34 degree 10 o'clock in the morning. We found our campsite the next 3 days. We have some visitors over there. Let me show you. These guys, Zazu and his buddies. Zazu! Where's Simba? No, they don't know. And then we've got Kingston. Where's Kingston gone? Because he was just here and he was drinking water. So Kingston's also here. And yeah, Nick's making some noodle salad again, as usual, for the morning.
You can't show the table.
The recipe is secret. Yeah, so we've got a nice campsite for the next 3 days. And then this is our view. that is our view for the next 3 days. There's a spot over, I'm gonna guess about there, where there's a black dot. Oh, there, wait, I'll do it like this. There, which is where the water hole is. At the moment there's a bunch of vultures just circling and sitting there. There's no kill though. And so that's where most of the animals go and drink and have a evening gathering for their meetings or whatever. I've got the rig on the door. As you can see, the rig's on. I can go take some cool photos and videos hopefully later, especially this evening when we see some good stuff. Not much else to do really, but I'm gonna make a quick video in a bit. Oh, did you tell them? No, tell them about what happened last night.
So I woke up to the sound of some animal licking, because we have a little bit of a leak in our tank, in our shower tank. And I woke up to the sound of something licking, and then I felt the bucky move, and my heart was like, it's actually the first time I've been scared like that. And then I turned around, like turned over because I was on my back to look out the tent flap to see what it was, and the thing ran. So we think it's a hyena because of the scaredy cat.
No, you think it's a lion. I know it's a hyena.
No. You're rude, man.
So, funny enough, we just found our first viewers that recognized us.
Yeah.
They're on a trip. Then say hi, guys.
Hello.
Hi.
What's your names?
Gert-Jan and Annika, we're from Holland, and we ran into your blog online. Don't know you, but sort of do now. And,
in the middle of nowhere, we saw each other.
Yeah, we see the sticker, and then it's like, that's gotta be them.
Yeah, they just rocked up to us and goes, "You guys are crikey Africa." The sticker is quite noticeable.
But the car, actually, I saw the car, and I'm like, that's the nice shady thing.
Yeah. What are the odds of someone, like, I understand someone, if you're a big YouTuber, especially like Yoon Olsen or Casey, everyone notices you all the time in the streets because there's also a lot of people. But we're in the Kgalagadi. There's nothing here. We've seen like 4 people, and 2 of them knew us, and they're not even South Africans, they're foreigners that saw our vlog. And I remember they sent us a message actually asking us some questions, so that's quite funny and very cool. And so yeah, we're gonna drive around and stay under the cool air conditioning, which is exactly what they're doing, and then hopefully we'll find some lions later. Okay guys, I feel like I should explain what's about to happen next. This is one of the coolest things that I've ever filmed. And on the day, I completely forgot to vlog. I forgot to talk to the camera. I was just like, I gotta get the shot, I gotta get the shot. This is amazing. So, for those of you who don't know, we're in the Kgalagadi. The Kgalagadi is a weird name, first of all. It actually means place of great thirst. It almost never rains there. It's really, really dry. It's a game reserve shared by Botswana and South Africa, right? On the Botswana side, you are in the middle of nowhere. There's nothing there. There's no showers. There's no toilets. There's like a few long drops every now and then, which is just a hole in the floor, basically. And there's about a tap at every 20 kilometers in different campsites that people share. So after we met Gert and Annika, we went to one of the campsites to fill up one of our water tanks, right? Got there, asked the guy, hey, can we fill up our water tank? And he said, yeah, that's fine, go ahead, just watch out. There's a bunch of lions in the bush, and every time you open the tap, they come out to drink water. And I was like, what? There's a bunch of lions in the bush. And this is like 10, 15 meters away. And he's just sitting there, and he's like, yeah, every now and then they come out, they try and bother me. I throw them with a few rocks and they walk off again. Crazy old mate. Anyway, so I was like, this is gonna be epic. We gotta get this shot. And by then, Gert and Annika actually joined us at the campsite. And he actually gave me the idea to strap the GoPro to the tap. Thanks for that, buddy. You can actually see while I'm strapping the GoPro to the tap, the lions start walking out of the bush. You can see my shadow moving away, and the lions are like the 2 cubs already on their way. So eventually we got into our cars, everyone got their spots, started shooting this absolutely insane experience. Eventually this one juvenile is like, okay, I'm not thirsty anymore, but what is this new little addition they've added to this tap here? Oh, it's a GoPro, a new one. Let me see if I can eat it. And so he starts chowing on this thing. He starts chewing it, and he's like, ripping it off, and actually got shots like that shows inside his mouth. That's how he was literally trying to eat there's a GoPro. And I was like, I don't care about the GoPro. I just need the SD card. But if he drags it off into the bush, I gotta walk up to him and say, oh, excuse me, Mr. Lion, can I just have my SD card back? And then you can eat the rest of the GoPro. So eventually, after they had their play and they had their water, he was still trying to get this thing off. And eventually I had to chase them off, or him off the tap. I was just like, shoo, shoo. And he was like, so I moved the car closer. He moved back a little bit. I quickly stuck my hand out, got the GoPro off, and off they went. The full video will be uploaded right after this vlog. So go and watch it, share it on Facebook, share it everywhere. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy this. This is epic. Ciao, guys.